Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today I want to share with you some info from Binance. Binance starting a new quiz and new learn course where you can grab some cryptocurrency. And in this case we have to grab auto investment bonus. Like you see, to celebrate the launch of MDX on Auto Invest, Binance is launching the Auto Invest MDX quiz activity, where user can gain knowledge about dollar cost average, DCA, auto investment and MDX. The first 100,000 new auto investment user who successfully complete the quiz during the promotion period will be able to each receive a free auto investment MDX monthly plan for 5 months. So like you see, this is what you receive when you successfully finish the quiz. Of course, you ask me how big is this monthly plan. This is described a little below. Like you see here, eligible user will each receive an auto investment MDX monthly plan that is worth 0.5 BUSD. This 0.5 BUSD amount will be equally split over a period of 5 months to purchase MDX via the auto investment monthly plan. Example, 0.1 BUSD per installment. So this is rules. So how to make this lesson? Very simple. If we are logged to our accounts on Binance, if you have account, if not, I put my referral link to description of this video. So if you log it to your account, select from this many option learn and earn. So like you see, this is this course and this is ongoing. So to start, push button start learning. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages when you can learn and earn. So read about this, what they put here. When you finish, go to the next page. The same, read about this, to the next page. Here we have video, more text, go to the next page, next video and next page. And like you see, some here. Yeah, complete the quiz, earn auto investment. So push button start now. And we are on the quiz page. Like we see, left 10 days, 6 hours, 11 minutes, 46 seconds. Here we have all information that I read on the beginning of this video. Rules, terms and conditions. So everything is here. And when you want to join to quiz, push button start the quiz. Before I finish this quiz, I make some screenshots so you can see how looks questions and how looks my answers. So like you see, we have 5 questions, very simple question, information about this question and how to respond you find on this article on the beginning of the course. When you finish your lesson, you easily can finish this quiz. Like you see, 5 questions, 5 response. When you finish this, you see information survey already completed. You have already completed the survey. Thanks for you supporting Binance. And you can of course edit your response. And that's all. And we now checking for the Binance when they give us if we qualified to get this prize for this quiz. If you have any question, put this question below this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.